Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I have a review for you guys. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money because I've actually been looking for a new protein powder, specifically a vegan protein powder. I'm just diving right on into this video. I love that for us. But I don't know, like I've always just noticed, I feel like the vegan protein powders from various brands are just lacking on flavor options. I haven't really been able to find a fun, exciting, different flavor other than vanilla and chocolate. Like boring, basic. Like why do we want to have just vanilla all the time or chocolate all the time? Like where's the variety? So for me, you guys know I am dairy free, so I don't do whey protein. It makes my stomach hurt. I feel super bloated, and that's not something that I want to have in my daily lifestyle, you know, diet, if you want to call it that. So I did pop onto Alani News website and I ordered their vegan plant-based protein, and I'm so excited because this flavor is, first of all, it sounds different than any other vegan protein that I have ever come across. So I'm gonna open this up for you guys and we're gonna do a first impressions taste test review on this protein to see if it is worth the hype. And it came so fast in the mail, you guys. It came in like 2 days. I was surprised. I almost forgot I ordered it. Like that's how quick it came in the mail. But I do have to say I'm a big fan of their pre-workout and I love the flavor of it. I feel like they just got it right. And again, those are unique flavors that you don't really see in the fitness industry. So I figured I would probably like this, although the reviews were like, ew, it's chalky, it's gross, it's grainy, I don't like it. And then some people were saying they loved it. So I'm hoping I'm gonna love it. Okay, you guys, I know everyone's taste buds are very different, and I really don't want this to be overly sweet. I think that's a lot of concerns that I have with flavored protein powders, is they come across being a little bit too artificially flavored. What the heck is going on here? They could have definitely put more product in here, or at least gotten a smaller container, because that is a waste. But I believe they say that for one serving, you're gonna want to use 1 scoop with 6 to 8 ounces of water or a beverage of your choice. Mix thoroughly, enjoy anytime during the day to help meet your protein requirements. So I have a little mini shaker bottle here. I like to try out my proteins, you know, with nothing else, no fruit added into it, no smoothie, just the protein powder and then some sort of a liquid. So that way we can truly taste the flavor and see if it's really good. It just smells like regular protein to me, nothing special. I probably got that all over my face. Coming at you after importing that footage, guys, I have went to smell this protein and I didn't notice the whole time that I had protein powder on my nose looking crazy like a crackhead. So I had to just come back and refilm all of that. And the thing about the reviews that I read, because I love reading reviews, I love hopping on YouTube and seeing videos like this of people trying it out to see if it might be something that I would also enjoy. So I didn't find too many videos on this specific flavor. A lot of their proteins are whey based, so they're really not the same. When you have like a pea based protein, it's gonna taste a lot different, right? Because it's coming from a different protein source. So this protein claims to have high quality protein ingredients. It's supposed to help you recover after your workouts. It's supposed to enhance your muscle growth. And it does say here very clearly on the front that it is made with watermelon and pumpkin seeds, which is something that I've really never seen before. There's also 25 servings in this container here, so it's about 1 pound of product. And it is the fruity cereal, which I'm assuming is gonna be tasting somewhat like a Fruit Loop or a Fruity Pebble, something like that. Is what I was expecting this to taste like. It also says that it's natural and artificially flavored. So I'm gonna flip it over to the back, and it is labeled to have 110 calories per serving, which is 1 scoop, you guys. And it's 20 grams of protein per scoop. So the ingredients list says that the first ingredient is pea protein, which I personally am a big fan of pea-based protein powders, so that's nothing new to me. It tastes good in my opinion. The second ingredient is watermelon seed protein, and then the third ingredient is organic pumpkin seed protein. So those two seed ingredients I've never had before, so I'm hoping that the flavor is going to be really nice. And there is a sweetener added into this. They have stevia in here listed as an ingredient, and from my experience, I feel like stevia can be too, like, you can taste what stevia tastes like, right? It's just very distinct, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. I feel like it tastes a little artificial in my opinion, and I'm hoping that that's not going to be the case for this protein, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm actually gonna use this vanilla almond milk with it. I mean, when I have cereal at home, I use this anyway. So I'm gonna try it. I'm not gonna do a full scoop because it's just a taste test. First impressions. So do a nice little half of a scoop. I use a blender bottle. I feel like it's the easiest, most convenient, less cleanup type of situation. So add some almond milk to this. And we're gonna see how this blends. A lot of the reviews I was reading said that it was lumpy and clumpy, and it was chalky tasting. So make sure your lid is on tight. It doesn't look like it's clumping up, and I barely shook it. Look how kind of smooth it is. Let's do it one more time. Alright, that looks pretty blended in my opinion. So the review is saying that it doesn't blend well. I can't really agree to that because it blended very easily, as you guys just saw. So let's give it a taste test and hooray that it doesn't taste chalky like a lot of plant-based proteins do. Whoa. Okay, so the first initial flavor I got was a hint of like Fruity Pebble. I do taste the stevia. I think this almond milk goes really nicely with this protein powder. And I use the Almond Breeze in vanilla. This does have some extra sugar added into it as well. But I don't think that it's overly sweet, if that makes any sense. Like, it has like a balance of flavor. It almost kind of masks the stevia taste. Very smooth. I like it. I'm not even gonna lie, I definitely like this flavor. Even like Alani New, if you look at their protein selection that is whey-based, they have a variety of fun, interesting flavors that you just don't see when it comes to the plant-based industry. So that's what I was so intrigued to try this out, because I've never come across fruity cereal before. Like, what? Like, that's a revolution. So being that the flavor is so unique, I'm gonna give that a 5-star. I think the taste of it, the blendability, the consistency, it's not chalky. I don't agree with that review at all. By the way, I paid for this with my own money. Overall, I would give it 3.5 star, only because I wish it had more of that fruity cereal flavor. Like, it's very subtle. It doesn't smell like fruity cereal or anything. It just smells like regular protein powder. And also the product, like, I felt like they could have filled up the container a little more, or used a smaller canister to not waste so much plastic, because when I opened this up, it was barely filled up all of the way. So that's why I'm kind of like giving it a 3.5 star. Packaging wise, like the label being very clear with what you're getting, I think that is very nice. Even on the back, they have like photos of the pea protein, the watermelon, and the pumpkin as well. So aesthetically, it's really cute. Like, it makes me want to gravitate towards this when it comes to reaching my fitness goals and everything. I'm gonna use this. I'm not just gonna make this video. I'll definitely come back with an update to share with you guys if I notice anything different, because it does claim to have muscle growth and recovery. So adding this into the mix, I'm gonna be interested to see for myself what it's gonna do for me. And if you guys have ever tried out like their chocolate vegan protein powder, let me know what you guys think about it. You guys are actually the ones that recommended I try their pre-workout, and I have it in the shaved ice, which is actually almost gone. Again, I'm gonna highly recommend this product to you guys. It's probably the best tasting pre-workout I've ever tried, coming from using C4. I think their flavors are extremely unique, and that's what makes this brand so fun, in my opinion, when you incorporate it within your own fitness journey, weight loss journey, whatever your health goals are. So I will be back to repurchasing this, maybe in a different flavor. So comment down below if you guys have a favorite other than the Hawaiian shaved ice. But so far, I'm gonna have to say that I'm gonna be rocking with this plant-based protein. I might pick up another container of this because I know it was sold out, and that was the reason why I hopped on the website so quickly to order it for myself, so I could try it for you guys, because I know how it is to come across a protein that is like plant-based, that actually tastes good and doesn't taste grainy or chalky, that actually blends well, that has a good flavor on its own, not having to mix it with other fruits and actually putting it in a blender, right? Like, I wanted a protein powder that I could just shake up in my blender bottle and then go, you know what I'm saying? And that for me, I think, is this. So I'm gonna be trying this out all month long. I mean, you don't get too many servings out of it, 25, so that's gonna last me about a month if I have one every day. Let's say on my workout days, your girl doesn't go to the gym every day, but we'll make it work, we'll make it stretch, you know, balling on a budget out here. That's always my thing, because supplements can be pricey. This was, with shipping and tax, $50-something. So if you're having this every single day, like they even recommend on the label, add 1 scoop to 8 to 6 ounces of water and enjoy anytime during the day to help meet your protein requirements. I'm not gonna be having this 3 times a day. My wallet says no. So, you know, on workout days, I think it's great to have pre or post. That way we can kind of stretch our supplements a little bit further. And even having this sitting while I was chatting, it didn't get clumpy or anything. It definitely tastes like the bowl of cereal, like when you eat all the cereal and you have that milk left over, like a little hint of the Fruity Pebbles mixed with the milk. That's the best way I would say to describe this. For sure, I am surprised. I definitely was a little nervous and skeptical to try it out, because let's be honest, trying new protein powders is definitely an experience, and 9 times out of 10 you end up hating it and then having to suck up the taste because you spent money on it. And let's be honest, we all want these gains out here, right? I'm out here trying to feed my muscles, okay? Yeah, okay, this is definitely growing on me. Definitely growing on me. Okay, I'm sold. Alright, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed my quick little first impressions and review on the Alani new plant-based protein in fruity cereal. So if you guys want more fitness related videos, definitely check out the links in the description box below. I actually created a whole playlist that has all of my workouts. I know you guys asked me for routines and stuff, or what are you doing? You look great, your arms look great, thank you. I share all of my workouts in videos for you guys because I like to use them as references for myself, but also sharing my workouts with you guys. I also have a highlight over on my Instagram called Fitness, which has all of my workouts that I do in the gym, which are all strength training and body weight movements for the most part, which is my personal favorite thing to do. You can do them at home, or you can do those exercises in the gym if you have a membership. So definitely check that out. And I think that's everything I wanted to say. Oh, my outfit, I might as well just show you guys that. This is from Fabletics. Cute little set, and I will link Fabletics down below. If this set is still available, I'll link it directly for you guys, but it has fun little pockets on it and all that good stuff. But I'm about to get my butt to the gym now that I had my little pre-workout meal. I do think this would be something that I would have pre-workout, and I'm not the type of person to eat before the gym, but it's so light, I don't feel like there's a lot of stuff in my stomach that's going to be swishing around when I'm doing my exercises, which is always my concern. So yeah, I think I touched on everything, but just be sure to check out the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you dolls in my next video very soon. Bye!